stop playing around. Time's running out on you. It's serious. You got a chance to change your damn life, and not just your life, the life of your children and grandchildren forever. The choices I made, the work I put in, difference I've made, my great-great-grandchildren will know the difference. It'll be a portrait of my grandchildren, me and my wife. These are the people that changed our family tree forever. You need to stop letting the damn world push your family around. You get pushed around all the time. It's not normal, and it's not okay, and you need to change it.